Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th Classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pullimandal.
Chairman Dhansekaran. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sivkumar from Ropes Organization. In the 9th class, chapter number 10, Heron's formula. This chapter is important for this. In this one, question number 5, if you observe this one, see here, sides of triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. Okay, very important question. This model is already, we discussed the example 5 based on this model. Now we'll see how to solve this one. This one is the same as example 5. Now we'll see this question number 5. See here, given ratio of sides is equal to 12:17:25. Now let sides be 12x, 17x, 25x. Okay, now here perimeter is equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x. That is equal to 12 plus 17, 29, 29 plus 25. Here totally 20, 40, 50. So here it is 29, 29 plus 25, 49, 54x. Therefore, 54x is equal to 540 they given, 54 ones are 54 tens are, x is equal to 10. So here x we got 10, then therefore 12x is equal to 12 into 10, that is equal to 12 into 10, that is equal to 120 centimeters, and 17x is equal to 17 into 10 is equal to 170 centimeters, and 25x is equal to 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeters. Now we have to find, therefore 2s is equal to 540, s is equal to 540 by 540 by 2, that is equal to 270. S is equal to 270. Therefore area is equal to root of S into C. This is A, this is B, this is C, like this you take. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S we got 270, 270 into 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250. Okay, so here we got 270 into 270 minus 120, 150 into 270 minus 170, 100, 270 minus 250, 20. So here we can write as 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. That's we can write as, here see 270 we can write as, here 270, in this one finally we got 270 we can write as 227 into 10 into, here 150 we can write 15 into 10 into this one 10 into 10 we can write into, this is 10 into 2 we can write. Okay, so here we can write directly, here 27 is there, then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens are there. Then here instead of 4 tens we can write 10,000 into, here 15 twos are 30, here into 10, 10 into 15, 150 into 27 we can write, this again we can write 150, we can write, here it is 9 threes are we can write, this is also, so here 10,000 into, here we can write 150, we can write as, here 3s are 3 into 2 into 3 into 50 into this one 3 into 9. That's again we can write 10,000 into, instead of 3 into 3, 9 into 9, so 9 into 81 into this one 2 into 25 we can write, 2 into 25 we can write as this one. Again we can write, we are seeing, instead of 10,000 we can write 100 in the outside, instead of 81 we can write as into 9, instead of 25 we can write as 5 into root 2 centimeter square. Then 900 5s are 4,500 root 2 centimeter squares. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle. Okay, see here they given first ratio of the sides they given 17 is to 12 is to 17 is to 25. From this we took as 12x, 17x and 25x. Okay, now according to the question here, perimeter we can write as 12x plus 17x plus 25x. Instead of this total 54x, then according to the question 54x is equal to 540, then 54 ones are 54 tens are, then two sides are 12x is equal to 12 into 10 120, 17 into 10 is 170, 25 into 10 250. These are the sides we are taking as A, B, C. Then from this 2s value 540, s value 270. Now area of the triangle is as Heron's formula, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus a. Now s value 270 and 270 minus 120 a value, and 270 minus 170 b value, 270 minus 250 is c value. So after subtracting this one we got 270 into 150 into 100 into 120. Now here 270 into 150 into 100 into 20, then 270 into we can write as 270 we can write as 27 into 27 tens are, and 150 we can write as 15 tens are, and 100 we can write as 10 tens are, then 20 we can write as 10 into 2. So here instead of 4 tens 10,000 we can write into 150 into 27. Again here 150 we can write as 3 into 50, and 27 we can write as 3 into 9. Instead of 3 into 3 into 9 we can write 81. Okay, next 50 we can write as 2 into 25. See here the square root of 10,000 is 100, and square root of 81 is 9, square root of 25 is 5. So and finally root, for the root no root value, that's why root 2. So 10 nines are 900 and 900 5s are 4,500. So finally answer of this triangle is 4,500 root 2 centimeter squares. Okay, it's an important question. All of you please understand this one, like and share this video. Thank you everyone.